Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you middleware in Laravel. So middleware, you can consider it as a bridge between a request and a reaction. So let's say if I'll show you one diagram here, you can see that if I'm hitting a request, a URL, then it will first go to middleware, and if middleware approves it, then it will go inside your application. So I'll be showing you how to create a middleware and how you can apply it to routes. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So now let's get started. So in web.php I have created 3 routes. So here you can see base URL is going to index function of contact controller, then policy is going to policy controller, terms and condition, term controller, and middleware you can find in folder app http middleware folder, and inside that you can see already some middleware is already present. You can see authenticate, verify, csrf token, all these are already present. So our middleware will be created in this folder, and after that we need to register it in kernel.php file. So here you can see there are 2 types of middleware. One is global middleware and second is root middleware. So global variable you can see are applicable on all the routes. So it will be like every request will go through these middlewares. After that there is the root middleware. Root middleware can be applied in a group or to a particular route. So here you can see web and the API. All these middleware are applied in a group. And at last you can see root middleware. Here you can apply to a particular route. So let me show you controllers now. You can see contact controller. It's having just index function, and I'm just echo one statement here. Welcome to home page. In policy also you can see welcome to policy page, terms page also same, welcome to terms page. So now let's start by creating middleware. So write command php artisan make middleware, and let's say middleware name web security. So run the command and you can see in middleware one new file is added, that is websecurity.php. Inside that you can see we have one function handle. It takes request and closure with next. So here it's returning next request. So here next it will just redirect to that particular request where it should actually go. But if anything goes wrong, then so here we will be returning with error. So now let's run our project with PHP Artisan Serve, and now let's go and open our project. So here you can see on welcome to home page. Now let's check another page as well, policy, welcome to policy page. So till now we have not applied middleware, so now let's go and apply middleware. So in kernel.php, firstly I'm going to show you globally how you can apply and how it will be applicable to each route. In variable middleware, add one more entry with app http middleware and name of middleware, that is web security class. So after configuration, let's go to web security middleware, and there just print one, let's say middleware is protecting your site. This one I'm just adding to show you that it's going to middleware. So now let's go and check in browser. So let me just refresh. So here you can see middleware is protecting your site as it is globally installed. So in base URL also it's coming. So let me show you policy. In policy also it's coming. And so third one is terms and conditions. So let me show you that as well. So here also you can see middleware is present. So global middleware, it will be applicable if we mention it in kernel middleware variable. And after that, let's apply the same middleware in, let's say, to a particular route. So now we will be mentioning it to root middleware. So here just write one key. So let's say key as a policy. On policy we will be applying. So I'm just giving key also policy. You can use your own key. Now let me show you all the routes. So now let's say terms and condition. Here you can see now it's not coming. So base URL, now middleware is not coming. Now policy, if I'll show you, policy also it's not coming. So reason of for middleware not coming here, as We have just configured their in kernel.php, but we have not applied this middleware to the root in web.php. So let's go and do that. So with root policy, add middleware policy, key of middleware configuration that you have defined. I have defined policy. So after this, let's add condition in our middleware. So I'll be sending as a query parameter, let's say role, admin, or anything like role. I'll be sending as a key, and value can be anything. So here, let's check if request role, this will be getting from query parameter, if not equal to admin, then I'm going to echo that contact your admin for your access or for your permission, anything, and after that write die. So now let's check in browser. With policy, let's send one query parameter role, and let's say first HR. So here you can see contact your admin for your permissions. So now let's send role as admin. Here you can see middleware is protecting your site. Welcome to policy page. As that condition is not satisfied, it moving to next one, that is it's going to controller, and inside that whatever is there, it's printing. So now let me show you terms and condition URL as well. Paste. So here you can see welcome, there is as no middleware added. So now I'll be showing you group middleware. So now let's, so for group middleware you need to add, let's say, root middleware with the key of middleware. After that you need to add group, and inside that you will be calling function, and inside that function all root, so that you need to like pass through that middleware you will be defining inside that function. So I want policy and terms and conditions to group with the middleware policy. So now let's check first with home page. Here you can see welcome, as there is no middleware, it is outside group. So now let's check policy. So here you can see I'm just writing policy, then it's giving me contact your admin. If I'll write terms and condition 1, then also is giving contact your admin for permissions. Now if I'll send query parameters with that, so now let's say role equals to, so let's say HR first, so same contact your admin. After that role admin, so here you can see middleware is protecting your site. Basically now it's going to controller. You can also pass your response as JSON, so you can use response and with that JSON. So if you are using APIs, then you can pass as a JSON. It depends on your requirement how you want to send your response from here. So just comment the below line, and now let's go and check in browser. So refresh. So now you can see blank JSON is coming, as I have not sent any data. So inside JSON you can pass your data. I have shown you how a request is hit. Then firstly middleware is called. If middleware is having any error, then it will be returned from there only. It will not go inside your controller or application. If everything is fine, then it will go to your controller and application. So that's all in this video. If you have doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.